Are you thinking about moving to Port Charlotte, Florida? And you have a price range you'd like to stay somewhere between $400,000 and $500,000 on a price for a home? Well, today we are going to take you in and around Port Charlotte, show you 3 different neighborhoods that have homes from the $400,000 to $500,000 price range, and we're going to get after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about eating, sleeping, working, playing, the good and the bad of living on Florida's Gulf Coast, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to get all of the current market updates in and along Florida's Gulf Coast. Hi, I'm Lori, and Todd, the team, and I get calls every day from people just like you looking for help in making their move to one of our beautiful cities along Florida's Gulf Coast. And we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, schedule a Zoom. We'd love to help you make a smooth move to one of our beautiful cities along Florida's Gulf Coast. So as I mentioned, today we are back in Port Charlotte, and we're going to show you homes in the $400,000 to $500,000 price range. And we're starting out today at Charlotte Sports Park. Now this is the home of the Tampa Bay Rays spring training. You'll see that we've done other vlogs that have shown other spring training facilities. There's a lot of baseball spring training up and along Florida's Gulf Coast, so it's a great time of year, a lot of fun here. Now, Port Charlotte is one of the larger suburbs down here. It has a great price point as far as cost of living. It's 88% of the national average, and there's about 66,000 people who live down here. Charlotte Harbor, which Port Charlotte sits on, is one of the largest harbors in the nation, and there's a lot to do down here if you're looking to come down here and work, and you don't work from home. Healthcare and tourism are 2 of the top employers down here. We're just going to show you a little bit. There's parks all over Charlotte County. There's golf courses. There's, of course, boating, fishing, just all sorts of things to do. But I'm going to show you all the way around here where the Tampa Bay Rays make their spring home. And then we're going to head out and find some homes in the $400,000 to $500,000 price range. So let's get in the car and head out to our first neighborhood now. Our first home in Port Charlotte in the $400,000 to $500,000 price range sits right at $400,000. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home. It's 2,133 square feet, and it does sit in this neighborhood that has no HOA and no deed restrictions. And I'm going to show it to you behind me right here. It's the one with the cute little dolphins on it. Now, this lot is over 10,000 square feet, so there's room to put a pool in the back, room to do, if you want to park an RV, want to park a boat, just about anything you'd like to do. There's plenty of room for that. Show it to you behind me back here. Now, this home does have a fenced yard. It has been somewhat renovated inside. We'll show you the whole neighborhood. A lot of large lots here. Mature landscaping. It's just really quiet and peaceful. You are very close to Punta Gorda here. You're about 8 miles from the Punta Gorda Riverwalk, close to Punta Gorda's regional airport, and very close to the Tampa Bay Rays Charlotte Sports Park that we just started out with. So let's get back in the car And we will head out to our second neighborhood in the $400,000 to $500,000 price range. Our second home in Port Charlotte in the $400,000 to $500,000 price range sits back in this neighborhood that is just now being developed. There are a lot of new homes out here and a lot of large open lots. This particular home sits on a 10,000 square foot lot, so almost a quarter of an acre. It is 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 2-car garage, was just built in 2021. I'll show it to you behind me. And again, like the other homes that we've showed you today, really close to everything, close to Punta Gorda, close to everything in Port Charlotte. This home is listed at $440,000 and it is 1,868 square feet. So I'll show you the side of the house. There's an extra shed there. Again, like so many of these developing neighborhoods that have custom homes, no HOAs, no deed restrictions, so you can do whatever you want. Come on, try not to get run over. Come out here and show you the full view of the house. And all the way around the neighborhood, it's really just green. There's a home on the next street over that's also brand new, but a lot of this is just starting to turn. So it's a great home for $440,000. It is a smart home, a lot of value for $440,000. So let's go check out our third neighborhood and our third home here in Port Charlotte in the $400,000 to $500,000 price range. Our third home in Port Charlotte in the $400,000 to $500,000 price range is sits on this corner lot right behind me, and it sits on over a ½ acre, as well as the lot next door to it is also for sale. This particular home is a 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 2-car garage home. It does have a pool in the back that is screened in. It is 2,032 square feet and was built in 1994. Now, if you look all the way around us, it's also in a neighborhood that is not yet completely developed. So a lot of open space, rural living, but near everything in town. And just so many opportunities down here to find what you want, whether it's in a developed neighborhood or it's out more in the country where you can do whatever you want. So I'm going to show you one more shot of it behind me. Now, if you have any questions at all about homes in the $400,000 to $500,000 price range in Port Charlotte, or any other price ranges down here in the Port Charlotte area or along Florida's Gulf Coast, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, schedule Zoom. We'd love to answer any questions that you might have. And until next time, we hope to see you around town.